Here's another view from our 41 Sky View camera over Lawrence County. This view is from the Dublin, and we're looking at blue skies out there with plenty of sunshine, very brilliant sunshine, 86 degrees. Feels like 99, the humidity is 74%. That dew point is really up there at 77 degrees, and the winds are variable at 3 miles per hour. Now, the temperatures around the state are already in the mid to upper 80s, with the exception of Athens, which is at 79, but Augusta's at 84, Vidalia's at 88, Columbus is at 86, and Albany's at 88 as well. Now, looking at the almanac numbers from yesterday, we got up to 93. We started out at 66. There's your normal temperatures of 92 and 71. There's your record sets. And then we're looking at the sunrise and sunset times. And notice the days are starting to get shorter. Now for your day plan at 12 noon, 87 degrees, 3 p.m. 91, and then at 6 p.m. 88 degrees. For today, we'll have plenty of sunshine. Then we can't rule out an isolated shower or a storm. That's mainly going to be up to our northeastern portions of the state. 92 degrees with a heat index of 97. Now, high temperatures will range in the low to mid 90s, with Sparta at 90, Wrightsville at 92, Perry at 93, and Butler at 91. It feels like 97 in Milledgeville and feels like 95 in Cochran. So the good news is we don't see any triple digits as of yet. Now, we're going to talk about Hurricane Aaron, and we do have some news about Aaron. It was originally at Category 3 at 5 a.m. With the 11 a.m. update, it's now weakened down to a Category 2, which is only winds at 105 with gusts up to 125. That is still categorized as a dangerous hurricane because of the fact you're going to have life-threatening surf out there and rip currents. So again, if you have plans that are going to be along the coast, especially the east coast here, you don't want to get into a situation where you cannot get out of. So just mainly take heed what authorities are saying and just stay away from that area there. Now, we're also looking at another area of the tropics there with a 40 to 60% area of development there. And with that being said, we're headed into the peak of hurricane season. I'll have your 7-day forecast in about 10 seconds. Here's your 41 NBC AccuWeather 7-day forecast, sponsored by Volume Chevrolet. We are looking at temperatures in the low to mid 90s out there with an isolated chance of a shower. We'll also have isolated chance for showers on your Wednesday. As we have a system that will start to move in, we'll have increased chances for showers. Temperatures will still be in the 90s, but once the passage of the front, we will have temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 80s.